In this part of the video, we will discuss about the output devices of computer hardware. An output device is a hardware component that convey information to a user or to display output to the user. Some commonly output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Let's first have your monitor output device. Monitor output device is look like your television screen. It display the work by you or the information you get after processing. It means that it also display the data is entered by you and the output which you will get after processing. Information on a monitor exists electronically and is displayed for a temporary period of time. When you will start working, when you will start performing another task, the output will automatically will be disappear. For this reason, information on the monitor is referred as soft copy. The output which you will get on monitor, that is called soft copy, right? Monitor is also known as screen display, video screen, video display unit, that is VDU, or you can also say that visual display unit, etc. We mostly the monitors varies in three categories. One is a CRT, another is a LCD monitors, and the third one is a LED monitor. Cathode ray tube is used in your CRT monitors. They look like your traditional monitors, and mostly they look like your television, the traditional styles of televisions. See, CRT monitors are large and take up more desk space. Next you have LCD monitor. LCD monitors you can widely see in your present era desktop and mostly in your laptops. And the full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. The third category of monitor is your LED monitors, 42-inch screen which you are easily able to see in your home environment or the larger screen. They all are belonging to the category of LED monitors, and the full form of LED is light emitting diode. This technology for the backlight to produce images. Both LCD and LED monitor have a lightweight compact screen that consumes less than 1/3 of the power using CRT monitor or cathode ray tube monitors. Child, monitors have tilt and swirl base. Tilt and swirl base, it means that you can adjust the screen of the monitor according to your height, which will reduce your neck strain and reduce the glare from the overhead lighting. Some monitors are touch screen, some having the integrated speaker, some having web cameras. The control button of monitor helps the user to work in a much better way with your output devices. Next output device which we have, that is your printer. Printer is one of your output device that gives you the output on a physical medium. See, the output which you are getting on monitor, that was a soft copy. You are able to see, but you can't touch that output. But the output which you will get in the with the help of printer, they are your physical medium, such as paper, called output. The information we get as a printout on a paper is called a hard copy. The information you get on the monitor, that is called a soft copy, and the information which you get on the paper, that is called a hard copy. Printer can also be classified into two categories: impact printer and non-impact printer. The printer that have direct contact with the paper, they are called the impact printer, and the printers which having the indirect contact with the printer head and the paper, that is called a non-impact printer. The best example of impact printer is dot matrix printer, and the example of non-impact printer is your laser printer and inkjet printer. Let's see the categories of printer. The very first category which first two categories which they had mentioned in your book, they belong to your non-impact printer. Laser printer uses laser technology to print text or images. Sometime you might have been noticed that whenever you take out the printout, the temperature of the paper is bit warm, or the temperature of the paper is differ than the normal temperature of the paper. Reason is because while taking out the printout, while taking the getting the printout, the user had used laser printer. This is the reason that the temperature of the instant printout page is differ or the warmer than the normal temperature of the paper. The speed of the printer is ppm, that is page per minute. In a minute, the laser printer is able to print pages. Next we have inkjet printer. Inkjet printer is again your non-impact printer. The output you will get in the form of text, images by spraying ink on a paper. Child, have you ever worked with the ink pen? Whenever you work with the ink pen and when you swipe your hand on the contents which you had written with the ink pen, the ink is bit spread, right? So same thing happened with the inkjet printer. Whenever you take out take out the photograph, then the photographer always tell you to not to touch the photograph for a specific time period, or for a minute or for a 2 minute. Reason is because mostly the high quality of the photographs which you are able to get, they mostly are printed with the help of inkjet printer. It can be black and white and it can be colored also. The speed of the printer is line per minute. They are slower than your laser printer. The last category of printer is your dot matrix printer, and this is your impact printer. It works like a typewriter, right? That contains movable print head with pins that strike the ribbon and placing a dot on a paper. Whenever you get the printout from the laser printer or from the inkjet printer or from the dot matrix printer, you are easily able to see the difference between inkjet printer, your laser printer output and your dot matrix printer output. Mostly in the lawyers or in the court, we use your dot matrix printer. Next output device which we have, that is your speaker. All of you are very much familiar with the speaker. Speaker is your output device which helps you to produce music, speech and other sound that is generated by your computer. Next to data projector. Data projector is another your output device that projects the data and being displayed on the computer screen on large screen so that an audience can see image clearly. And smartboard is another your output device that display the image on the connected computer screen, usually via data projector. I'm not reading all the contents. The reason is only this, that all of you are working with the smart classes, all in your classrooms. Smart boards are also there, data projectors are also there. So you have a very clear idea about the data projectors and smart board. The last category which we have in your output devices, that is a plotters. Now plotter is one of the very sophisticated printer which gives you high quality drawings, such as the banners, especially the banners which you are able to see in the market, then the blueprints of your house or the construction area blueprints, then maps, then and circuit diagram. These output you will able to get through the plotters. See, this printer is a specialized used in specialized fields such as engineering and drafting, and are usually very costly. The examples of plotters are drum plotter, flat bed plotter, electrostatic plotter and inkjet plotter. Drum plotter works like your dot matrix printer. Flat bed plotter works like your laser printer. Inkjet plotter works like your inkjet Printer. Let's recapitulate the topics which we had learned today's class. We had learned about the definition of computer, hardware, categories of hardware, then input devices. In the input devices, we learned keyboard, categories of keyboard. Then we learn about the mouse, categories of mouse. Then the different input devices along with your output devices, categories of monitor, categories of your printer, and the rest of the contents. So please go through these contents very properly. That's all for today's class. Stay safe, stay home, and be up and doing. Thank you.